no! We have a runaway! How funny. All in the little adventures. And they rake the ground out here, get the horse poop off, I guess. And we got a waterfall. Water's not all that bad. How can it be too bad when the average temperature is like 85 degrees? So the ambient temperature of the water's got to be up there. I hear some screaming and screeching going on. Must be deeper pond and stuff up here. And right now I kind of wish I had my shoes back on. But my feet are wet and covered with sand. Ouch! Oh my gosh. Old feet. Oh my God. That's not the waterfall. That's the waterfall. Got quite an establishment up here. They're called entrepreneurs, capitalism. I bet you don't see none of them damn socialists up here. Hola. We got a little bar. Patio, food. Cerveza. Look at the fish. That's good eating right there. I am not going up that rope. You fall and get hurt, bust your head open or something, land in the water. There's a pretty good chance you just might drown. And it's a long damn ways out of here walking. Yep, there's even stairs right on down this side. There's the group. I would imagine that'll be a dwelling up above. That's what I'd do with it. All the food you'd ever want to eat right there. Well, it's time to go swimming. This is Brad Buckner, sharpensbest.com. Come down the walkway here and make sure we don't slip and fall in. All right, let's go. It's a little chilly, but not too bad. I'm going to shake some of the water out of the microphone. It's not real warm. Let's go down here where there's some fish. Oops, we're in the rocks. Hey, you gotta shake some of the water out. It's great. It is. The water down here is great. Come on down.